In this video, I'll be explaining how to calculate the area under the curve. For this, we need to split the area under the curve into shapes that we can recognise. This will mean that our area will be an estimate rather than an accurate measurement. So my first section I can split into a triangle. My next sections I will be splitting into trapeziums. So the smaller the trapeziums you make, the more accurate your measurements will be. I'm going to number each section to help me with my workings. 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to work out section number 1, which is a triangle. Now we need to work out its area, so we need to know the formula. So the formula for area of a triangle is half times base times the perpendicular height. So for this triangle, if we read across, we can see it has a height of 1 and it has a base width of 1. So it's usually helpful if you draw a little diagram for yourself so you are substituting the correct numbers in. So half times base, which is 1, times the height, which is 1, to give me an area of a half. Section number 2, we've got our trapezium. So I'm going to draw a little diagram of the trapezium, and it has a base width here of 1. One section of the parallel sides is a height of 1. Our other parallel side has got a height of 4. So we need to now know our area of a trapezium formula, which is half a plus b, which are the parallel sides. So we're doing half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. Our parallel sides are 1 and 4, and our height between them is 1. So I'm going to do half. 1 plus 4 is 5 times 1. Half of 5 is 2.5 times 1 is 2.5, or 2.5. Our section 3 again is our trapezium, which is a height of 4 on one side and of 9 on the other side. So I'm going to draw out my sketch again of this section, and so it's 4 and the other side of 9, and the height between them is 1. So we need to now substitute that into formula, half a plus b times the height between them. So I've got half 4 plus 9 times 1. 4 plus 9 is 13, so I've got half times 13 times 1. Half of 13 is 6.5 times 1 is 6.5. We're going to now work out section number 4. Okay, again, draw out a little sketch. We've got a height of 9 and a height of 16. So 9 and 16 are parallel sides, and again, the difference between them is 1. So half a plus b times height. It's useful to write out the formula each time just to make sure you're substituting it correctly. It also help you remember the formula. So I'm going to do half of 9 plus 16 times by 1. 9 plus 16 is 25. So half of 25 is 12.5, and times by 1 is still 12.5. And finally, section 5. It's got a height of 16 and a height of 25. So let's draw our little sketch again. 16, 25, and the difference between them is 1. So I'm going to do half a plus b times the height between them. So I've got half 16 plus 25 times the height between them, which is 1. So 16 plus 25 is 41, so I've got half times 41 times 1. Half of 41 is 20.5. And so now I've worked out the area of each section. Now to work out the total area of the curve, I just need to add all these sections together. So section 1 was 0.5. Section 2 was 2.5. Section 3 was 6.5. Section 4 was 12.5. And section 5 was 20.5. Add these all together. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 25. Put the decimal point in the line. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So my total area is 42.5 metres. So just break your areas into shapes that you recognise. I could even do rectangles and triangles if I wanted to break it down further, if you find that easier than you find in the area of a trapezium. I hope you found this video helpful.